Meaning of hideout.
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 Hideout. A hideout refers to a place where someone can go to hide or be concealed from others, typically for safety or privacy reasons. This term is often used to describe a secret location where people can retreat to without being detected. Hideouts can range in size and scope, from a small cave or shelter to a large underground bunker or fortress. They are often associated with criminal or fugitive activity, but can also be used by individuals seeking solitude or sanctuary from the outside world. Overall, a hideout is a place of refuge that provides a sense of security and protection from external threats.